Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is a part of complete web development series. In this video, we will discuss about HTML list. Uh, there are two types of list in HTML. HTML list allows web developer to group a set of related items in a list. The two lists are unordered list and ordered list. You can see the difference in unordered list. There is a bullet point which is a dot, circle dot, and ordered list there is a numbering like 1, 2, 3, such way. Unordered list in HTML. Unordered list start with UL tag and each item start with ally tags. The list item will be marked with bullet point, small circle dust before the list item, and it is written like this. You can see on the screen, and the output will be like this. You can see what is unordered list. And let's move ahead to ordered list. Ordered list start with OL tag and each item start with ally tag, and the list item will be marked with number by default. OL and like this. You can write ordered list like this and the output will be like this. Let's do this on our code editor. Now I have opened my code editor. Let's create a new file. Name it list.html. Write html:5 and hit enter. Let's change the title name. List in HTML. First, to create list, we will see ordered list. Write a comment. For this, write OL. Then li, and let's write to 1 to save it and right click, open with live server. You can see the list are displayed with number 1, 2, 3 by default. When I add another list, the list item number will be 3. And let's try unordered list. Write a comment. Write UL like this, and between opening and closing UL, write ally, and let's again write list 1, list 2, and run it. You can see bullet points before list item. This is the difference between ordered list and unordered list. Let's combine these both together. Let me comment it. And create first let first create ordered list OL, then create li list. We will give it fruits, name fruits, and inside this we will write the fruit names in UL like this. You can write, and after this we will write li vegetables, and inside this we will create an UL with vegetable names, and guess how it looks. See, it will look like this. And this much for this video. If you like this videos, like, comment and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you for watching.